Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel aka Nelly B, and today's video is me showing you how I use a combination of clay and Ayurvedic powder to cleanse my hair for my wash day. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you never miss an update. Shikakai powder and bentonite clay are absolutely one of my favorite combinations for cleansing my hair because when combined, as well as with some apple cider vinegar and some drop of peppermint oil, I get a tingly mask for my hair that cleanses my hair, leaving it soft and detoxified. Once I put it on, I tend to leave it in my hair for about a half an hour and then I rinse it out. And what happens is that I don't have to use conditioner in my hair after. This combination leaves my hair so soft and so cleansed that I don't need to use a conditioner or deep conditioner of any kind when I'm done. And this is what my hair looks like when I wash out the mixture. The thing about it is that unlike when I wash my hair using regular shampoos, my curls are literally popping and defined already, and that's because of the bentonite clay. But like I said before, my hair is cleansed, soft, manageable, and it's ready to style. And that is it for how I cleanse my hair using the Ayurvedic powder Shikakai and bentonite clay. I'm just going to put my hair in my towel wrap that I received from Naturally It's Mine until I'm ready to style it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.